Too tough for me, too tough. Yeah. Yeah. My mom and my sister are going to a Pilates class, so I'm gonna kind of like film what I can of myself doing the Pilates stuff, and I'm gonna try my best. But if I don't, I'll let you guys know how the class was. We're gonna get Duncan after, so that's always a motivation. But you know what? Your girl loves Pilates, so like nothing can motivate me for Pilates. But we get Duncan after, so that's good. Bye guys, see ya.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm just having some technical difficulties filming. I just finished my Pilates class. I couldn't exactly film because it was hardcore. It wasn't hard at all. Like, I actually really did enjoyed it a lot. I wish I got some content, but like, it's like, I did Pilates on the mat before, and I never did Pilates on there's one equipment, and I never did that before, so like I didn't want to hurt myself, because like you just never know when you do something new. And I think we're gonna go back because we really did like the instructor, and we did like, we're gonna probably make friends out of it, and we got the socks so we can go back, because you have to wear grip socks. But I really did like it a lot. I am currently gonna probably show you guys my little walk. We're going on a trail, and then I'm gonna end it. A little weekend vlog, but I can't necessarily vlog tomorrow. I have work from 9 to 2. Or 9 to, actually no, 9 to 4. Actually, not 9, 11 to 4. Just kidding. Sorry about, okay, my parents are being goofy. They're being weird. I love them, but I'm trying to film and people like don't, whatever. Okay. Anyways, I just put mascara on, so it's so basic. And this is from Ulta. I had my hair up. Actually, it looks really good. I'm like surprised it's like been looking kind of funky, but put this headband in. I'm getting this stuff for flyaways. It's like a it's like a gel for flyaway back. No, it's like a it's like a, I don't know what it's called, but it's like something that I've been seeing on my TikTok. Okay, check me on TikTok, and that's all my socials that I give out, because Insta's private, Snap is private. I only snap my girls and my family, so I don't really necessarily use Snap, so I don't give that out. Love you guys. Maybe I'll see you on the trail, just depending if I feel like filming. I may film.
Direct trail.
She was around one
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog of this week.